Before Tesla, before SpaceX, Elon Musk was cleaning boilers for $300. He risked everything. No safety, no plan B. But that's exactly what made him a millionaire. In a world obsessed with instant success, we forget that even the richest man on Earth once had to get his hands dirty, literally. This is the story of how the dangerous $300 job taught Elon Musk the price of success, risk, and resilience, and how it laid the foundation for a billion-dollar mindset. At just 17, Elon Musk moved to Canada with barely any money, no luxury, no contacts, no comfort zone. To survive, he took the most dangerous job he could find, cleaning industrial boilers from the inside. Imagine this. It's a dark, hot, metal chamber. You're lowered by a rope, given just a gas mask, and told, scrape the toxic gunk off the walls. If you pass out, yell, and all for just 18-hour, roughly $300 per job. But Musk did it because he needed to survive, because he knew comfort was the enemy of growth. Elon once said, I knew if I failed I wouldn't regret that, but I knew the one thing I might regret is not trying. This job didn't just pay him. It trained his mind. He learned that pain is temporary, that risk is necessary, that no task is beneath you when you're chasing something greater. The mindset he built scrubbing boilers, he later used it to cold call investors, sleep in the office at Zip2, work 20 hours a day building PayPal, bet his last $180 million on SpaceX and Tesla, and guess what? Both nearly failed. But because he was trained to live with risk and pain, he never quit. After Zip2 was sold, Elon had $22 million, but instead of relaxing, he risked it all again. He founded X.com, a crazy idea to replace banks online in 1999. People laughed at him. Online banks? That's stupid, no one will trust it. But Elon didn't care. He was used to people doubting him. He was used to working alone in the dark. Eventually, X.com became PayPal. In 2002, PayPal was sold to eBay for $1.5 billion. Musk's cut, $180 million. That $300 job, it taught him to work through fear. And that's why he made $180 million. Now here's the twist. Elon didn't keep that money. He poured every single dollar into SpaceX, Tesla, Solar City. People called him insane. He was almost broke again. Even his closest friends begged him to stop. But he kept going because he wasn't driven by money. He was driven by mission, by impact. And the man who once scrubbed toxic sludge in a metal tube was now building rockets that touched space. Elon Musk's story isn't just about tech. It's about grit. It's about taking ugly, unglamorous steps towards something massive. So ask yourself, are you willing to do the $300 job? Can you work in the dark while others party in the light? Will you keep going when failure is around every corner? Because comfort kills dreams, but discomfort, that's where billion-dollar ideas are born. Elon Musk started with a $300 job and a dream. No handouts, no guarantees, just pain, purpose, and persistence. So what's stopping you? Take the risk. Build your empire, and never forget, success doesn't come from money. It comes from mindset.